Hey guys, I'm Steff, and welcome to my beauty stash. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. You know the drill, guys. Before we begin, make sure you click on that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you never miss one of my video uploads. You guys, I am going crazy with all of these foundation reviews, but you know what? I wouldn't have it any other way because I love me a good foundation review and wear test, and it is obviously foundation season because a lot of brands are putting out new foundations, and you know me guys, I need to try it. That is my favorite thing to do, foundation and concealers. So today we are going to do an affordable option, one that I just noticed is on sale right now at Ulta Beauty, and that is their own line. This is the Ulta Beauty Effortless Effect Medium Coverage Hydrating Foundation. This foundation comes in 26 different shades. It is on sale for $7, and you do get 1 fluid ounce. You guys know that we always do specifics before foundation reviews, and today is no different. Let me read you guys some of the call outs of this foundation. That way you can decide whether it's going to be good for your skin type or not. This foundation is infused with hyaluronic acid to boost hydration, acai berry and pomegranate extracts to help even skin tone appearance. Antioxidant vitamin E helps protect from free radical damage. This is a vegan formula. It is also free of fragrance, parabens, and silicones. I picked up the shade Light Warm on the Ulta Beauty website. So if you want to see how this new Effortless Effect foundation from Ulta Beauty is going to perform on my 37-year-old normal to oily skin, keep on watching. For primer today, I'm going to go in with one that I picked up at Ulta Beauty. It's from their line. This is the Mattifying Face Primer. It is oil-free, and I've enjoyed using this. I've had it for, let's see, maybe like 2 months, and I use it here and there. It is a very silicone-based primer, but it does do a good job of filling in the pores and kind of just giving that nice little blur we want wherever we have our larger pores, and for me that's like all in here. Alright, now it's time to dive into the Ulta Beauty Collection Effortless Effect Medium Coverage Hydrating Foundation. Good shake. Always, guys, make sure that you shake your foundations every time you get ready to use them. That product can separate, and you don't want to have like the oil and stuff come out before the actual product does. And it is sealed, so let me remove that. Haven't swatched it. I'm hoping the shade match is going to be good for me. We'll find out. I think it's just a squeezy tube. I don't think there's anything in here. Yeah, so we're just gonna squeeze directly out of the tube. That's gonna be a good match for me. This is the shade, I don't know if I told you guys earlier, Light Warm. I'm gonna try and just do this half of the face first. Sometimes I forget and start doing the entire face, and then I don't have anything to show you to compare to. So just keeping it right here on the right for right now. That way we can see what the coverage looks like. Alright, so this is the side with the foundation. This is without. What do you guys think of the coverage? I think it's a true light to medium right now. I'll build it up a little bit in a second. Let me jump over to the other side, and I still have that much on the back of my hand. So we're doing all right. I have this blemish that has not gone away. It hurt really bad at the end of last week, and now it's just like a scab. I still don't want to pick at it. All right. This is with one application of the new Ulta Beauty Effortless Effect Hydrating Foundation. I definitely want to see if I can just build it up a little bit in here. This is where I have my problem area. Alright, Alright, so this is with the 2 pumps, not the entire 2 pumps. It's mainly just right here where I build it up and maybe just a little bit on my forehead. But I think the coverage is alright. It's a true medium, maybe even bordering on full, heading over there into the full side. But it built up really well. It's not cakey. It feels fine on the skin. It feels like, it doesn't feel like a hydrating foundation, you know? And I like the finish of it. It's not, you know, fully matte or anything. It's just like a natural finish. Alright, so for concealer, I'm actually going to go in with an Ulta Beauty concealer that I do like. This is the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer. I'm going to go in with the shade Light Cool. Now, since this is a cream product, I'm going to go in with a little bit of the e.l.f. Eye Putty Primer, just so that I can be ready for my eyeshadow application. Alright, I'm going to go in with my Old Faithful, the Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder. To set the perimeter of my face, I'm going to go in with one of my new favorites, and this is from Physicians Formula. This is from the Natural Defense collection. It is Setting the Tone Finishing Powder. This one does contain SPF of 20, which is why I like to use it on my face whenever I can. Alright, so let's take a closer look. What do you guys think? What do you all think of the coverage? What do you think about the way the makeup looks? It looks okay. The concealer is not my favorite for under the eye, but I just chose to go with it since it was an Ulta Beauty product. I do see a little bit of settling right in there. Ignore my lips, my foundation lips right now. But it feels matte. I feel like my oil is controlled right now. And it looks smooth. It looks, to me, it looks fine. It looks like I have a good base, a good canvas for the rest of my makeup application. So the coverage is fine. I don't know why I have these little blemishes going on, but it did a good job with covering them. So yeah, I think it looks all right. We'll say the start time is 6:56. So I need to finish getting ready for work. Let me spray real quick some of my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So guys, we are going to give this a good 12-hour, maybe even longer wear test today. I'm going to finish getting ready for work and head out the door. You guys be safe, have a blessed day, and be a blessing to someone today. And I will do my periodic check-ins and see you guys a little bit later. Hey guys, this is my 5-hour check-in using the new Ulta Beauty Effortless Effect Hydrating Foundation. And in looking at it now that I'm out here in the natural sunlight, I don't think it's that great of a shade match. I mean, what do you guys think? Look at my neck and look at my face. I think it's a little bit off, but okay, I'll make it work. So far, it's holding its own. It is gotten really dewy, and that's expected because it is a hydrating foundation, and I do have normal to oily skin. It did almost immediately upon application settle into my little smile lines right here. So that is one thing I am not too crazy about. Also my nose, you can tell, and like right here around my cheeks where I have my larger pores, it has already gotten oily in those areas. My forehead looks all right. And everywhere else it's laying just fine. It's one of those days for me, guys. I am not crazy about my makeup right now. Not necessarily the foundation, but like the way my eyes came out and all that stuff. And I'm trying a new mascara, and yeah, I don't think it's working for me. So yeah, it's one of those days. Hope your day is going better, especially makeup wise. This foundation still has another 7 hours to go. So I'll be back in a few more hours to do another check-in and then to give you guys my final thoughts after wearing this new Ulta Beauty Effortless Effect foundation for 12 hours today. Stay tuned. Hey guys, this is my 10-hour check-in, and look at me. I am really shiny right now. I so wish I could blot my nose, but I haven't done anything, guys. I haven't checked up at all. I haven't touched up at all. This is how my skin has looked for the last 10 hours, and I would say it's wearing okay. Like, the coverage is still good. It hasn't really broken up too bad either around my mouth. I'm actually fixing to go have dinner right now, so we'll see how it does after that and at the 12-hour check-in, but this is how we're looking. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Hope you all are having a good time. Stay safe, and I'll check in with you guys in a couple more hours. Hey guys, it has now been 12 hours that I've been wearing this new Ulta Beauty Effortless Effect Hydrating Medium Coverage Foundation. I picked up the shade Light Warm, and this is what I am looking like. Obviously, I am a shiny, oily mess. I am oily pretty much all over my skin, but what can you expect, guys? It's a hydrating foundation, and I'm a normal to oily skin type. For it being a hydrating foundation, guys, I feel like it lasted really well on my skin. It hasn't rubbed off anywhere. I mean, all of the coverage is still there. It's still smooth up here. It's still smooth into here. The only place that I really didn't like is like right in here in my smile lines, which I don't know if you can even see on camera, but I can see it when I look at myself in the mirror. Kind of settled into those smile lines early on. It's already been 12 hours. It has already started to break up a little bit in here, but not as bad as other foundations. It still feels okay on my skin. It doesn't feel like I have a lot of makeup on my skin. It doesn't feel makeup-y or cakey or anything like that. Obviously, yeah, I'm oily. I need to blot, I need to touch up, and I haven't done that all day. It is maybe a little bit starting to crack, like right in here, but it's been 12 hours, and what can you expect? I've been, in and out of the building. It's been a windy day, and I've just been working and living life. So this is how my skin looks after a little over 12 hours. I think that if you're more on the normal to dry skin types, I think this is going to wear a little bit better for you than it did for me, but it's still not half bad for being a hydrating foundation. This kind of reminds me of the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation that I recently reviewed on my channel. So if you're interested in checking out that video, I will definitely leave it linked up above so you guys can check that out. I feel like the finish is the same. I feel like the coverage is the same. The only thing that's not the same is the price tag. This was about $16, and that Photo Focus foundation I think was like $6. So there's a little bit of a price difference there. But if you happen to be at Ulta Beauty and you're shopping around for a new hydrating foundation, I would definitely consider this one and give it a try. So leave me your thoughts. What did you think about this foundation review? Are you going to be picking this up? Sound off in the comments down below. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up and tell all your friends, guys, that everybody is welcome over here in Steff's Beauty Stash. Welcome new subscribers. Thank you all so much for being here. I hope you enjoy watching my videos, and as always, if you have any suggestions for me, guys, please leave it in the comments down below. I take them seriously, and I try to make all of the changes that you recommend to me. So thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you watching. You guys have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Cheers. Here's your water, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.